Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use macro features in Microsoft Word document. Macro is an automated process in the Microsoft Office product. You can use these features to make recording the process and minimize your work. For example, if you are starting to work on the Word document, you are changing the page margin, page size, page border, and include the watermark, everything you have to set up. This process you must do each time for the new document. Macro is minimizing this process and include this setup just one click on the one shortcut key. This feature is available in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Let's learn how you can do this. Open the Word document and go to View tab. Here you have to click on the macros and click on the record macros. Please be note, if you start the recording, you have to do carefully for the each setup, because if you do the any wrong setup, this also recorded and may not work your macro features. So carefully you have to do all setups. Click on the record macros. Here you have to add the macro name. You have to give the name without space. Then click on the keyboard. The customized keyboard window will be open. You have to add the key which is not already used in the Microsoft Word. For example, you should not use the shortcut key as Control N, because this is already used. So you have to use the shortcut key without used in the Microsoft Word. I am choosing the Alt N. You can see here the key is available. It is already unassigned. So you can assign this shortcut key to your page setup macro. Click on the assign. Now the Alt N has been assigned for this page setup features. Click close. You can see the cursor has been changed as recording. Now you have to go to set up your default setting. I'm going to layout. Here I'm choosing the narrow margin. Then I am going to choose the size as A4. Then I am going to design. Here I would like to add the watermark. So I'm adding the watermark. The watermark has been added. Now I'm going to add the page border. Here I'm choosing the box border and dashed line. Click OK. You can see now the setup has been recorded. So we have to stop this recording. So again go to View, click on the macros. Here you have to click on the stop recording. Now macro has been stopped and recorded for the all of this setup. You can use this feature in future. You have to create a new document. I'm going to show you how you can use this shortcut key. So go to File, click on the blank document. In this new document, I have to add for the page setup by click on the Alt N key. If you click on the Alt N key, it will be added. See, page border, watermark and page size, everything has been changed here. This will be really minimizing your regular process when you are going to set up the new document. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more technology videos, subscribe this channel.